Water lily nuts, also known as fox nuts or Makhana, are the edible seeds of the Euryale ferox plant, a species of water lily found in southern and eastern Asia. The plant grows in water, producing bright purple flowers and large, round leaves that float on the surface. The seeds are harvested and processed to create a nutritious and tasty snack that is popular in many parts of Asia. Growing fox nuts or Makhana requires a specific environment and conditions. The Euryale ferox plant thrives in stagnant water such as ponds, swamps, and wetlands in tropical climatic conditions. Seeds can be sown from the previous crop, the market, or online portals in ponds or swampy wastelands in your field. The pond's depth can range between 4 to 6 feet and must always have stagnant water. Even Makhana seedlings can be treated like other nursery plants and placed on the water field between the months of February and April. Harvesting water lily nuts is an important part of the cultivation of the Euryale ferox plant. The process involves collecting the seeds from the pond or wetland where the plant grows. The seeds are usually harvested in late summer or early autumn when they are fully mature. Harvesting water lily nuts requires precision and timing. To start the harvesting journey, you must be patient and watchful. Wait until the leaves of the water lily plant change their color from green to a bright yellow and start to wither. This transformation is a sign that the nuts hiding beneath the water's surface are now ready for picking. Once you spot the telltale signs of maturity in the leaves, it's time to carefully gather the nuts. You can do this by gently pulling the entire water lily plant out of the water. If you're working in a larger water body like a pond or lake, a small boat or net can make this process easier. Handle the plants with care to avoid damaging them. As you extract the water lily plants from the water, you'll discover the hidden treasure, the nuts attached to the plant's roots. These nuts are snugly nestled among the roots and can be collected along with the plant. After the nuts have been gathered, you'll notice that they are enclosed in hard, protective shells. To access the delicious and edible nuts inside, you need to remove these shells. This can be achieved by roasting the nuts gently until they pop open, revealing the creamy, white nuts. Throughout the harvesting process, it's crucial to be mindful of the delicate nature of water lily plants and the environment they thrive in. Avoid rough handling, and take care not to harm other aquatic life sharing their habitat. Water lily nuts are a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with essential nutrients. Just 1 cup, 100 g, of these tiny wonders contains an impressive 9.7 grams of protein, making them an excellent plant-based protein source. Moreover, they boast approximately 14 grams of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. When it comes to minerals, water lily nuts are rich in magnesium, 322 milligrams, phosphorus, 339 milligrams, and potassium, 444 milligrams. One remarkable aspect of water lily nuts is their allergen-free nature. They are naturally gluten-free, making them a suitable choice for individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. Moreover, they do not contain common allergens like nuts and soy, rendering them a safe snack option for those with allergies. The journey of water lily nuts from the tranquil water lily farm to your table is a fascinating one. It's a testament to the beauty of nature and the hard work of farmers who bring these nutritious and delicious snacks to your plate. So, the next time you enjoy a handful of water lily nuts, savor not only their taste, but also the journey they've taken to reach you.